forecast on this Saturday evening. We're watching some moisture being drawn up from our south and southeast. That's going to set the stage for some scattered thunderstorms, which aren't even on the radar right now, but they will form over the next 4 to 5 hours. Then they'll drift north, and that means that Las Vegas, while we're sleeping, could catch some showers and some downpours. The best chance will run from 1 in the morning through 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. So if you're up early on Sunday, rain could be an issue. Looks like rain, lightning, maybe even a little bit of small hail possible in some of the heavier downpours. Flooding seems unlikely. I don't know if you noticed on the Futurecast modeling, this will be drifting from south to north fairly quickly, and that'll limit our flooding potential. Here's the radar right now, and over the last 30 minutes, I've been watching the showers flare up over the Sheep Range. They're 15 miles away from the northeast corner of the valley. There's no lightning to report just yet, and they're drifting away from us, so not going to be a big issue. But you can tell that the atmosphere is starting to turn a little more moist, which will set the stage for these overnight thunderstorms. From now through midnight, though, we're good to go. We should hold on to dry weather. After midnight, from 1 to 2 in the morning, you see the activity approaching us from the south, so you'll have it first in Laughlin and Searchlight and Boulder City, perhaps after midnight, but drifting into Las Vegas after 1 in the morning. While you're sleeping 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, that's the time frame for these passing downpours. And again, although we're not anticipating severe weather, I think overnight downpours with the potential for some rumbles of thunder and at the very least some off and on rain will likely wake some people up in the middle of the night. And for the early risers on Sunday, still some lingering showers through 8 and 9 o'clock in the morning. Now tomorrow afternoon, it's not going to be a washout, but a few more storms will pop over the mountains, and we can't rule out one of those storms tomorrow afternoon drifting into the valley. But it's tonight through early tomorrow that will bring our best rain and storm chance. Your 13-hour forecast does a good job of picking up on that idea. Temperatures this evening are still pretty mild, slowly falling down into the 60s, but you can see that as we head past midnight through the middle of the night into the wee hours of tomorrow morning, even our 13-hour forecast is saying, hey, thunderstorms looking like a decent bet. Right now it's 74 at McCarran. We've got temperatures that'll drop down into the mid and low 60s late tonight. Tomorrow, it'll be about 5 degrees cooler than it was today. We had a lot of sunshine much of today. Well, tomorrow we'll have a mix of clouds and sun, some early morning wet weather, and that will keep temperatures tomorrow afternoon, I think, stuck in the mid and the upper 70s. So kind of a cooler day with most of Clark County on Sunday in the 70s. We've got a big weather pattern change that'll happen. A storm system off the California coast is going to be moving inland, and then later this upcoming week, a big warm ridge of high pressure will take its place. And that means that as this trough moves through over the next couple of days, we're still talking about the chance of some rain into Monday. But then after that, high pressure moves in, and that drives a really big warm up. We'll have temperatures almost 10 degrees warmer than average by the end of the upcoming week. So here's the 7-day planner. Kind of a lot happening for us here in the desert. Storms are likely later on tonight through early Sunday morning. Because of that, temperatures tomorrow only climbing into the 70s. Leslie, we're stuck in the 70s on Monday. An isolated storm chance lingers, and then dry and much, much warmer by the end of the week. We're thinking mid 80s.